today. Special thanks to our friends over at Supcase who were nice enough to send us their Unicorn Beetle Pro iPhone 16 Pro case. So inside of this box, look at that. Nothing else in there. Is, oh, I love this pamphlet thing. This is foam. Look at this. I love the clear case. Oh my God. Some installation instructions here. Even have a clear belt clip. Oh, why didn't they make the pixels like this? I love this. Golden, absolutely golden. Then this is your phone case. Pull this off, grab your normal corner. Oh yes, this is nice. Oh, that out, that out. Oh, this is amazing. I love the clearness. So this is in first, kind of pop it over your buttons there, and then basically the same here. Buttons in first. And then this nice silicone filling soft gel case covers your iPhone 16 Pro and just looks spectacular. Look at that. Love the front, love the back with the camera cut out. You've even got your kickstand here in case you're out at lunch and want to watch some videos like this or like this, and then you can pop that back down out of your way when you're done. That feels much improved compared to my old one. Got your camera button, other button volume. You even have a clear protector for your USB-C with your speaker cut out. I freaking love this case. Probably my favorite case that Supcase has ever sent me. This is just magnificent. Thanks again to Supcase who was nice enough to send me this Unicorn Beetle Pro iPhone 16 Pro case. Thank you all for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Deuces.